what you'll need: a 5-quart pot, 1 pound of your favorite pasta. You will need about 27 ounces of your favorite pasta sauce and about 8 ounces of pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese. Fill up your pot with about 3/4 fill of water and put it on a medium flame and let it stand until boiling with the cover on. Next, get out your favorite pasta and open the box and go ahead and spill it into the water. Pour it all into the boiling water in the pot. Next, what you want to do is be sure to keep the cover off and make sure you constantly mix the pasta so it does not stick together like a big mush. You have to watch it as it's cooking every so often. Just keep on mixing it. Then when your pasta is ready, you're going to want to turn off the flame completely. Next, just go ahead and pour in all your sauce. Just pour it in all on the top together. And then you're going to mix it with the pasta. And the last thing that you're going to do is just pour in all the cheese into the pasta and mix it in all together. At this point, once it's all mixed, you may need to turn on the flame for a few minutes to make sure all the cheese is thoroughly melted and mixed into the whole pasta. And now you can enjoy your wonderfully, deliciously made pasta. Lasagna, baked ziti, whatever you like to call it, because it is yours. And remember, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.